All right, guitar ones, we're going to do section B now, and that starts on measure 7, and this is a really fun section, and we're going to go from measure 7 all the way to the end of measure 11. And I'll tell you right now, measure 11, there's just a rest, so we actually don't even have to play in measure 11. So that will be the second section of the piece. And once we get through this, we are close to halfway done the piece. Really, I know it seems like crazy, but really we're almost there because there's a lot of repetition. So let's take a look at measure 7. And in measure 7, we're starting with an F. And then we're going to do something really fun. We're going to play D, D sharp, E. So that's 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then open E. All right. Now, good news is the rhythm is exactly the same as the one we used at the beginning. So that means we're going to go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2. Okay? So that first measure we wait until we hear 4 and then we play E and a 1. Okay? So let's do just that measure just to get that rhythm right, and then we'll talk about the next measure. So again, we are on measure 7 right now. And that's going to be letter B. In fact, you can write that on your score right above measure, so you can see where measure 6 is on the second line. Just go to the next measure and write the letter B, and then you'll know that that's where we're starting. So measure 7 on this F, 1 and a 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. There you go. Okay. Now the next measure, we're on this F again, but something's different here. Oh, wait. No, it's the same exact rhythm. Okay, this is a cinch. So we're going to go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4, but the notes change. We go E and a 1. That's pretty cool. So we're going from the F and a 2E and a, then we're going to reach all the way to the 4th fret, and we're going to climb 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and then we're on the next measure. Da, da, da. It's kind of creepy sounding. It sounds really good when all the parts are together though. So let's go over that again. This is measure 8. Okay, measure 8. We're starting on an F, but this time we're going to go F, and then we're going to jump up here, and we're going to, at the end of the measure, go da, 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 da. And we're going to land, we're going to land on da, 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 da. That's what I meant. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's give that a try. Here we go. Measure 8. On the note F, 3E and a 4E and a 1 and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1 is going to be the next part, okay? So, not so bad. Let's put both of those measures together now. So measure 7 and 8 all together. So we're getting ready on the note F, and then we're going to go D, D sharp, E, and then back to F, and then, okay? So let's give that a try. So we're going to the downbeat, actually, of measure 9. Starting on measure 7. Here we go. 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1 and a 2. Get ready? 3E and a 4E and a 1. Okay, that's it. All right, now the next part is my favorite part so far, and that is in measure 9. We're going to go, to just do all this creepy stuff. I love it. So we're playing 0, 4, 3, 2, 0, 4, 3, 2, 0, 4, 3, 2, 0, 4, 3, 2, because the F sharp stays throughout the whole measure, right? So we're always going to be playing that F sharp. F, if we start on the F, da, 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 and then on those measures, on this measure, 0, 4, da, 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 pretty fun. Okay, so let's try just that measure, measure 9. Okay, so eyes on measure 9. It's where we have all those 16th notes. And we're going to go 3E and a 4E and a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then a 2. C sharp is this 2 right here. Okay, let's put it all together. This is the B section of the piece. Measure 7 all the way through to measure 11. Here we go. So get ready on that F. 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1 and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1E and a 2 and 3 and 4 and rest and 2, 3 and 4 and then we'll come in for section C at measure 12. That's how that goes. All right, so again, little almost 6-minute video, but you can go back and play that with me a few times and you are almost halfway done the piece, or very close to halfway done the piece. So good job, and a good thing to do then is to actually put part 1 with, or the A section with the B section to see how it all flows together. That'd be a good thing to do next as well before moving on to the next section. But I'm going to move on to the next section with a video.